Hi everyone, welcome back to Couples Food and Adventures, and today is a very special day because we are going to visit one of the most beautiful deserts here in US, Palm Springs, California. Hi Dad. Hi Ate. And hi my baby.
Hi, Mommy. What are you doing?
Hi, so we got a 4:30 schedule to ride on a tram. So we're going up on that mountain. Yeah. So for now, let's just stay here while waiting for a turn. So there is a wide patio here. Look at this patio. From above you can see here. Where's Daddy? Okay, go to him. Sino? Okay, so my husband went on the other way, and I don't know how to meet him there. Where is he? I can see him. Oh, he's there. Daddy. Dad. Just say hi. We're on the wrong way. Okay, let's go there, Daddy. We're going.
Where are we?
Yeah, careful. So that's my two babies. So I'm actually catching my breath through. Look how high it is. Crystalline, that's where we're gonna ride. Can you see it?
Wow.
Wait for it.
I can see it.
That one, we're gonna ride that. Is that okay with you?
A little bit. I'm a little bit scared.
You're a little bit scared? She said she's a little bit scared. It's okay. When you're inside, you're gonna enjoy it.
Oh,
The first time of mommy and daddy here, we also a little bit scared, but we enjoyed it, especially up there.
well,
There's a lot of food.
I'm gonna be brave inside.
You're gonna be brave inside. I love that. She's gonna be brave inside. Okay, let's go find my husband. How?
When I'm safe and sound.
Yeah, be careful because it's a little slippery because of the sand. Okay, now we're down here and I found a way to go to him. Rattlesnake! Hi babe, we found you. We found you. I know. And here he is. Huh? Look at that. Oh my god, Dad, yeah. I'm running out of breath trying to find you. And now you want me to go up there again? No, we're gonna sit here and enjoy resting.
Mommy, is that?
Yeah.
Right there.
Crystal said she's gonna be brave inside of the tram because she just saw the tram. It just came down.
Yeah, nice.
Yes. Here. Oh, sige, dyan ka na.
What is that animal?
Oh, Daddy, what is that animal?
Right up the statue.
That's a mountain goat.
Huh?
Mountain point.
Yeah, it's like a goat. It's a mountain goat. I love it. I love the place. It's just that it's really tiring. So whenever you're going here, make sure you are hydrated and that you ate already. Not too much, you know, so that it'll be hard for you to walk up and down. Okay, so see you later when we are already inside the tram. We still have 1 hour of wait. Bye. And it is about time to board our tram, but before that they will ask you if you want them to take your pictures, which you have a choice later if you want to buy it with frame or something like that.
Here's this card to give you a picture when you get off the tram.
Thank you.
And have a great day.
Yes, well, sir. Now we're on the way. Picture is done. Okay, we're boarding now.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Please make your way all the way inside the cabin as far as you can go. Thank you.
You can hold her, ate.
Very nice job boarding everyone. Doors are closing. Please stand clear. Good afternoon. Welcome aboard the Palm Springs Aerial Tramway. In just a few moments, we will have you on your way to the mountain station at an elevation of 8,516 feet. Current temperature is a chilly 43 degrees and it's breezy. The journey is going to be about 10 minutes in length and you'll be spanning 2.5 miles of cable and going over 5 towers. Each tower carries with it a swing, so we ask that you hold on as we go over each tower. It's also very important to make sure you're wearing your face mask at all times. Please make sure it's covering both your nose and your mouth at all times as well. Once we leave the dock, we're going to start the floor rotation. The floor rotates, but the outside handrails do not move along with it, so make sure you slide your hands along those outside handrails. If you need something firm to grip onto, you have to kind of center the car on the outside.
I'm okay, Mommy. I did it.
Okay, she said she's okay.
All right, we're going to start that floor rotation now and play the narration for you, but if you have any questions or there's something I can do to make your trip more enjoyable, just speak to us. We'll keep this mic off and turn the power off for the ride.
New rotating tram cars, providing you 300 stations of near somewhere. You just left the station. And in 11 minutes, step out of
So sometimes we can, we will rotate so that we can see everyone.
1.5 miles of cable by well.
It's kind of fast.
At the top, the temperature averages some 40 degrees Shades and the trees, flowers, and shrubs. We'll travel over 5 towers. The tallest is 227 feet, much the same as a 21-story building. It's the only tower accessible to the road. All other towers and the mountain station had to be constructed by transporting workers and the materials to the various sites.
It's very swinging. Oh my god, Daddy.
And 1,000 cubic yards of rock.
Mommy, I have the baby China on the...
Are you really looking down? Oh my god, look how...
The new cabins are the first in the Western Hemisphere to rotate 300.
I'm getting scared now.
Travel and the largest of the type in the world. We're now high over Chino Canyon. What's this for home? Agua Caliente Bandicoot Indio.
So there is where we can look.
Including sycamore, poplar, alder, black maple, and a great deal of wild grapevine. North south tram car is but one of the many waterfalls displayed by runoff from the mountains. During our upward journey, we passed through a variety of different lights, ranging.
Surprisingly, Crystalline is enjoying it and she's not scared of the height.
It's a little like making a motor
That's
trip.
really something that I didn't expect.
We believe this is the only place in Southern California where this change occurred. As we approach tower number 2, top of the tower you can see a 16 by 16 foot yellow helicopter platform used during construction and now used during the tram's maintenance period. Additional platforms will be seen on the remaining towers further along our journey.
Here comes a little swing on tower number 2.
Okay, we're swinging again.
As you no doubt already know, swinging motion, tram car transition, located over tower traveling back on transcable is motion. Over the car moving from
That is a scared laugh.
and back.
That doesn't show you
Right. The original tramway was designed and built by the Von Roll Company of Bern, Switzerland, and all moving parts and cables are Swiss-made.
Now we're almost
The towers are American-made. There's a total of 27 miles of various sized cables in support, movement, and communication of the tramway. The largest of these are the track cables upon which we ride. They weigh just under 9 pounds a foot, with each of these track cables 13,500 feet length. Therefore,
It's cold now.
the halfway point on our trip is reached between towers 2 and
And
3.
there's another
This
tower.
happens past the other journey. While it appears that the downward car is traveling much faster than we are, it's actually moving at exactly the same speed. It must, because both cars are tied together by the falling cable,
It looks
which
faster.
move with the car. You see, the drive system of the valley station
So
is
scary
pulling
already.
that
I
car
don't wanna
down,
look at it.
and in turn,
We're on top.
pulling us up. The
We're
two
almost on
cars
top.
are 34 feet apart.
Okay, you guys can see.
The Palm Springs area of travel
There's
was
some
first
snow.
conceived in the early 1930s by a young electrical engineer, the late Francis Tram.
Here comes the big tower number 3. This one has the most swing out of all the towers.
Oh my god. More swing? There's one more swing? Oh, we're not on the top yet. Oh my god.
The sale of revenue bonds. In April of 1998, Palm Springs area of
Daddy!
at a total cost of $12 just at the very beginning. No
Well,
tax
I'm not.
dollars were
Crystal
used
Fish
for
is
the
okay.
cost of
Well, I'm not
construction
okay.
and the operation of the tramway.
Are we not there yet? Yeah, that's my question now. I feel dizzy actually. And we are on top of it.
It is
Look at
between
the-
towers
look at the
3
snow
and
up
4 that we reach the longest span of our journey. The cables stretch for more than half a mile. Often,
This is really a great experience, but
is one of the
scary.
most dramatic sights of our
Look
entire
at the
trip.
bottom.
The majestic spire shield Cathedral Bluffs. Visible testimony of the solid granite core of these mountains. As we continue our journey, the light zone changes become more obvious. You'll see a variety of pine trees, including pinyon, big cone, lodgepole. Natural residents of the high country include deer, mountain lion, fox, bobcat, raccoon, and the California gray squirrel.
Yung anak mo nag-enjoy. Yung mga magulang. Yung mga magulang, iiyak na. Okay, here we are at the snowy mountain. Look at that.
The smallest of the five towers is tower number 4, 57 feet tall, located at an elevation of 7,576 feet above sea level. There, you is the thrilling spectacle.
I can't imagine. Oh my god. I can't imagine this. I'm gonna do it.
Below, you will
Mommy,
be able to see
snow!
the desert cities.
Are you guys enjoying it?
And far sound of the sea.
Ate scared. Crystal is happy.
Oh, I can see the colors on
And the
the
right of our
wall.
travel is San Gorgonio at 11,400 295 feet, the tallest mountain in Southern California. We are nearing the end of our journey.
Welcome to the mountain station, elevation 8,516 feet.
Did you guys hear that?
We will be bumping the side
8,500.
railing, so please continue to hold on. And when you exit the tram car, please watch your step carefully. For security purposes, we ask that you please go directly inside the building. All of our observation decks are on the 3rd floor, and you get much better photographs on the 3rd floor. We are currently running a 12-minute schedule with the last car leaving this evening at 9:30 p.m. That's far not to be missed. If you take the stairs down to the 1st floor, you'll see a door that is up 54 miles of hiking trails, 2 small movie theaters, documentaries of the tram, and a small
We're here.
museum.
At last.
The 2nd floor has Magic Memories photos and a gift shop. The 3rd floor.
So remember earlier they took a photo of us before we ride the tram, and when you go up here, this is the photos. There's a photo section where you can get the print out of your photo. Just give them the ticket that the man gave you before you ride the tram earlier. And then so there are plenty of things that you can buy. There's some shop. If you forgot your jacket and it happens and it's still snowy, you can get some jackets in here. Of course, it's not cheap. Look at those. Okay. And this is a long valley deck. Okay.
Excuse
Sorry.
me. Oh,
Sorry. Thank you. Alright. And it's really cold. Oh my god, I don't have my jacket. I don't have my jacket with me, but it's really cold.
It's freezing.
It's freezing. Oh, look at this. I know. Sakto, Daddy, kakalabas lang namin.
Let's go upstairs.
Okay?
Lamig na.
Yes. Hi, beautiful. Nagugas ka ng kamay?
May I have your attention, please? The next tram car to the Valley Station leaves in 10 minutes. If you wish to take this tram car, please proceed to the waiting room now.
Look at the beautiful snowy mountain. And they also happen to have some food court in here. So when you get hungry or you just want some coffee or hot chocolate, hot tea, because it's really cold outside, so that's the perfect treat for yourself too. Oh, it smells good. So there's restaurant. It is a pretty good restaurant. A lot of choices. Okay. There is plenty of table to sit on. And they also happen to have elevator up here when you want to go down without using the stairs. Alright. And if you happen to be a drinker or something, you can enjoy some wine here before you go down. Yeah, I'm sorry about my breath because it's really high here. And the swinging thing earlier, oh my god, that's not a joke. That got me so hard. Okay, let's go back down.